Well, Zip.
Blip!
Whatever. You were so good today. I'm gonna show you the tiger's biggest secret.
Like an I'm an agent of evil sort of secret?
Shush! It's a secret.
Secret?
Roar! Look at my chest.
This doesn't look evil.
It's where I go when the tiger feels a little less than awesome. I saved every little piece of fan mail I ever got. Bless their little fan hearts. Something in the darkness.
I won a contest for this?
I heard something. It's out there.
What's out there, Tiger?
It's a legendary boogie bot. The two-headed monster bot that lives in darkness, eats pure fear, and flosses its teeth with your exposed wiring. The boogie bot!
Tell you what, I'll protect you from the big, scary... Only one battery left.
Give it here!
What? It's all been... Huh?
You've earned it, Zipperoo.
Come on!
Oh, Blip, you're safe!
What about Tiger Jackson?
I'm pretty sure he's not the evil blood spot.
Solar charger engaged. Hey, I'm safe. Well then, I guess you want to thank me for it. Ah! I can't admit it. I'm a frightened, egotistical...
Yep, definitely not Bloodspot.
I'll call a repair team.